Hey guys, this is a video of my budget gaming computer build. I have a budget of $500 and these are the different parts I chose to put it together. To start it off, I have an Intel Core i3 540, 3.06 gigahertz, 115 bucks on Newegg. Pretty good deal in my opinion. It's got great reviews and everything, so I wanted to try it out. For my motherboard, I've got an Intel DH55HC motherboard, 12 USB, 6 SATA, 4 RAM slots. 100 bucks on Newegg. Sounded like a pretty good deal. It's got the 1156 socket that goes with the Intel Core i3. And next is my Antec 100 case. It's got 6 hard drive bays, 3 DVD drives, 2 fans. It can have more USB and audio built in. 40 bucks on Newegg after mail and rebate. It's 55 without the mail and rebate, free shipping. Sound like a good deal. Next, I have the Rosewell RD400 400 watt, 2 SATA, 2 PCI Express, all the cables I needed, only 30 bucks, and it had really good reviews. For the hard drive, I have a Seagate Barracuda 1TB, 5900 RPM, 55 bucks on Newegg with free shipping. Sounded like a great deal, especially for a 1TB. For the RAM, I had G.Skill Rip Jaws, 4 GB, lifetime warranty, only 30 bucks. They had great reviews again on Newegg. I wanted to try it out. For the DVD drive, got a Liteon DVD read and write drive that's 20 bucks on Newegg. Standard DVD drive, nothing much to say about it. For the big baby, the graphics card, it's a GTX 460 1GB super clocked edition with DirectX 11, 130 bucks on Tiger Direct. The Newegg price was $170, but with mail and rebate $140, so I just went with Tiger Direct. So it comes down to a total of $470. I bought a lot of my stuff off eBay, so it's $390 for me. So I threw in this 20-inch LCD monitor, 110 bucks from Newegg. Came down to about $500 for me, which is great because I also had the monitor. And it's a really good deal. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and thanks.